Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Flybys and Strava. So that's actually will take only a few steps, and as a bonus I will show you how you can do that also on your computer. So once you launch your app, you will be directly on the home page. But I want you to go into you right here. It's on the bottom right corner. So just tap on you, and right here I just want to head over into the gear icon on the top right. So once you tap on the gear icon, you will see some or multiple options and sections right here. But I want to go into the preferences section, and I want to go into the privacy controls. Alright. So once you tap on privacy control, I want you just to scroll down until you can see the flybys. So alright, so the flybys is right here. So just tap on it and try to toggle on the no one. Alright. Okay, so for the computer, you need just to go into your browser, and I want you to go into the platform of Strava, and you need to make sure that you log in or sign in with your account. And after that, I want you to go into your profile picture right here on the actually the top right, and after that I want you to go into your settings. It's so similar to the app version. And after that I just wanted to go into privacy control in this menu on the left. So click on privacy controls and look for flyby. So that's option. And after that just click right here on, and after that I want you to go into no one and toggle it on, and after that just click on OK. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.